Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the evil queen from Snow White. So I didn't use a lot of stuff, but I did a lot of adjustments. So I'm just going to remove some stuff here, except for the ones I made adjustments on. So let me just do that real quick. Hopefully I remember what I wore. So for the head part, I used this in all black. I think I did no adjustments on this one. And then I used this crown in F4 in the first toggle. Positioned the Y to 0.6, Z 0.55, rotated the X to 0.48, and scaled it to 0.42. Then I used this crown from codes F4 the same color, in the second toggle. Position the Y to 0.55, Z 0.48, and scale it to 0.33. First, I'm just going to use this in the color, I think I did black, and then I did the rest white, except for the last one I just colored black. Then for the outfit, I use this in this color, okay? In this 271E47, and in this red. Then I used this necklace for the gem here. I just colored the first one 9F7D4B, and then it should be red. I don't know, it's colored like that. 690C0E. Okay, I did a lighter red and then black. Oh, for the adjustment, sorry. Position the Y to 0.4, Z 0.44, and then that's it. Then I am going to use this headscarf here. I'm just going to color everything black like that. Then I am going to layer on this in matte in that color, and then that color again in matte. And then I'm going to use this in only skirt, no layer, in that same color. Then I'm also going to layer on these sleeves in this lighter purple for E3476 in matte, and then I did the rest in gold in silk. This is color 9F7D4B for everything else. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.